today we're gonna cook a live crab. And from now, here, look here. There's a box with a live crab. And we're gonna cook them for them to eat. Look. They're alive. And I don't want them! See, they're moving.
Okay, let's try to wash them. Hindi,
Alamig!
hindi marunong si Mami magluto ng buhay na ganito. Okay.
Get them!
I-wash natin sila.
Get them!
Oh my God. Tara! Hindi ko alam kung paano ba ito lilinisin ng tama. I-wash natin. Is this still alive?
Alam mo, may mga nabatay.
Alam mo kanina, ito anak, it's still moving. Ito oh, itong paa na to. But now it's dead already. So let's wash it.
Oh no.
Can you hold the camera please?
Yeah, you will just... I think I know how.
Ay, iwawash lang natin. Huwag malikot na.
All you need to do is just put water on them and it's done.
Yeah, it's stinky.
Wow.
Ayan, oh, ang bilis ng mga langaw, oh. Oh, dahan-dahan ka.
I want to see. They can still be alive.
Alive pa sila. And look.
Careful me. You know what? If you get pinched by a crab, if you get pinched by a crab in your hand can actually be putol.
Really?
Yeah. So creepy. Oh, snap! Holy crud. Woohoo! Oh my god, that's super big. They're like gigantic spiders. We stop holding them, please. They will, or else you will just die. I'm trying to let them see the view. Mi, putulin mo daw kamay niya. Joke lang. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! May muntik ka na na-pinch? Miss ko na nga! Mi, okay na yan? Mi, okay na yan. Ayoko na, Mi. So, ito na sila. Nabuhay sila. Mas maigay kasi nagkaroon sila ng tubig, oh. May mga putol na din na part sa kanila, eh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, Mi! Alam mo, nakabangon.
Okay lang yan. Hindi ka kakagatin yan.
May nakaano ba sila?
Oo, nakatingin siya sa akin, oh.
Marami.
Look at his eyes.
I know, I can see it. May nakatakas na siya.
Hey, ano, he's talking to me. Please don't kill me, sabi ko.
He's blinking. And look at this. And look at his mouth.
Yeah.
He's like this on me. He's like clapping.
Yeah.
He's like this. Look.
If you're not...
See, one is talking to mommy and it's clapping.
Look at this. I-video mo yung face niya. It's not gonna kill you or something.
Wow, wow. Oh my! I don't want na. Bye. This is my first time seeing mommy touch real crabs. And guys, please do not do this at home.
Okay, so, ayan na. Lagyan na natin.
Because if you do,
Tumakas. Mamaya ko na tatanggalin yung... Oh my God,
Oh!
wild tong isang to.
ano me?
Oh my gosh!
Hala!
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. But you're way too sarap for dinner, so we're gonna have to do this.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh my God.
We are so sorry.
Are they already dead?
No?
How can you tell? I can't even
Like that. Hindi pinakita ni Carson kasi almost.
Hello!
I'm so sorry.
Sunog na sila, me.
Yeah. Okay.
Some of you will just meet something really, really creepy, and please don't do this at home, because if you do, that thing will just pinch you in the hand, and boom, wala na ang kamay mo. Oh my God, they're still alive!
Let's season it with Sprite. Yan na ang meron tayo.
Para lang mabuhay kayo, may lalagyan kami ng Sprite nang hindi pwede sa inyo. Kasi kaya naman, magpuputok kayo!
Some pepper while they're still alive. Mamaya na natin tatanggalin yung kanilang tali.
The other one is really strong, right?
Some salt. I'm not sure if it's salty already, but I put
May
some
one is-
anyway.
Yung isa trying to takas.
Which one? Okay, let's remove na the tali
The
pala.
two of them.
Do you think we should remove the tali already?
No, na.
Okay. La! Orangey na. Tinanggal ko na din yung mga tali.
Okay.
I wonder what these blacks are. You know, ayan, yung lumalabas sa kanila, ayan o. Are those blood?
Saan?
Ayan o. Ayan o, meron lumalabas, black.
I think
Kamusta?
it is insane.
Insane?
It's the worst day of my life.
Why?
It's the creepiest. Wait, guys. Haven't you know that we already watched Slenderman?
Yeah.
That was even part of my worst day. It was the worst night ever. Because, yeah, I forced my parents to watch it. Because I kind of saw the trailer and it was really creepy. I wished it wasn't in my mind. So, good night, bye.
Tada! Luto na siya. Luto na sila. Natin. Yung mga baboy. Sarap. Masarap pala yun, yung may kamatis. Nilagyan ko ng kamatis, onion, garlic, yung mga, at saka, luya. Tsaka luya. Ito ay bigay ng isang staff yata ni Carson from ni Carlo sa isang branch na sa Batangas. I'm not sure though. Salamat! Ang sarap! Okay, maaga ko siyang niluto. Kasi maaga ako mag-work. Masarap. Sana mataba siya. Woohoo! Thank you sa nagbigay. Subscribe!